Hi, guys, and welcome to your readings for the month of July. Stay tuned to the end for a special message I got while sitting at the oceans and the beauty of the ocean this morning with the sun glistening on its radiancy was beautiful. So, enjoy the month of July. And for today, I'll be using two packs of cards, the Angel Answers cards by Doreen Virtue and the Healing Messages from Your Angels cards, also by Doreen Virtue. I think you can see both the pack covers at the back. There we go. So we'll be combining those, and let's get started with the 12 signs for the month of July. Hi guys, I just want to add that this morning we had the outdoor message of your ships coming in, receptivity and the flow of energy inward, of receiving your manifestations. And now this afternoon and evening when I've done the readings, 5 or 6 or 7 of the star signs out of 12 had the "You're Ready" card. That is amazing validation, guys. You're ready to receive. You're ready to receive your manifestations, your goals, your intentions, wishes, desires. Your ships are coming in. So remember to set the intention this month to receive. You are ready. Hi Sagittarius, and welcome to your month of July readings. Let's get straight to it and pick a card. Pick 3 cards for you for the month of July. Self-acceptance. You're the first sign to get this card today. And this card is used to definitely want to come out for you. Oh, romance. It's come out for a few signs today, but for you it was popping out. And last card, meditate. Sagittarius, meditate. And I don't know a lot of my Sagittarius clients who who are strong meditators. It's because I think Sagittarius has such a energetic mind, an energetic personality. They're fire signs. They want to go, go, go. But remember to also reconsider, your decisions. I'm just saying some decisions you might want to reconsider this month and look for a sign. Look for a sign. Don't just step forward. Reconsider, look for signs, and you will be getting them this month. Oh, you will be getting them, and you also got the no card. So where you see a sign is not a good idea. Don't step forward, guys. Reconsider that one. Yeah, so you got some interesting cards today because not only did you have a manifestation with things, with accepting yourself, and romance, beautiful, and you also have with self-acceptance comes self-care, self-love. So the beginning of the month, remembering to give yourself that nurturing and helping yourself set yourself up for the month for positive intentions. And during the middle of the month, you'll be enjoying romance, enjoying going out to sea, going out, having a great time, a warm time with family, friends, and a romantic partner. And then remembering to meditate, remembering to have some time out, again, self-care, self-acceptance, accepting when you need rest, when you need downtime, accepting when you have the energy to go out. And remember also, and it's not just literally going out, it's also figuratively speaking, when you have energy to give without, and also when you need to pull back your energy and give to yourself within. But remember to also reconsider your plans and decisions this month. Look for signs if things are favorable for you to pursue or not favorable, and those that are no or not favorable, don't go ahead with them. Not this month, at least. It's not a good time for you to pursue things or avenues that don't serve you. Think, plan, and pursue those that fulfill your process, your outcomes, your goals, wishes, and desires. Before you run along ahead in a direction, take some time out to think which one serve you. So Sagittarius, that is your reading for the month of July. I do hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the outdoors reading from the water elements. It was beautiful reading sitting outside. And also comment down below what dreams you wish to create for your month of July. And we will see you next time, Sagittarius. So have a great month. See you soon. Hi guys, and welcome outside again, sharing the magical energy of the solstice that began about a week ago, and still back outside enjoying the magical energy of the ocean this time. I'm going to share that with you soon, but running into July, this energy only serves to build momentum, so I really hope you enjoy the energy of July, and let's see if I can change the focus here to show you the water. There we go. And you can see the ocean is really looking lovely today, sparkly and beautiful. And you can even see the ship coming out, or going out. This time, this reminds me of another movie, The Goonies actually. You know that scene where the pirate ship sails out? A really amazing, enchanting 80s movie actually, that I've been watching recently. So I think whenever we're doing a reading, the energy, everything signifies something. And the ship going out, I actually feel it's a little bit of your ships. It's right next to the port actually. If you see, there's the port wall right there. So I feel like, and you can see there's another little buoy or little boat thing out there. I feel it's time that your ships are coming in. That's the message I'm getting. It's ships coming in. It's time for things to start soaring, or things that to start launching, that you're beginning, and that energy we spoke about that had begun at the solstice will just serve to add momentum to it and help you to soar. So whatever you have been planning, remember to go ahead and trust your instincts and put into action. Take those milestones and steps and just enjoy the energy, guys. I mean, look at this water. The other aspect of doing this outside is that the magnanimity of the ocean and the water's energy and flow and rhythmic connection to the earth as well. It supports it. And the sun's energy just radiating, just adding to its radiance and vibrancy and beauty. It just serves to remind you to remember your own vibrancy and radiance. Let's see if I can turn the video back. Awesome, guys. So here's another ship coming into the port. Just like we said, your ships are coming in. Alright guys, so remember your own vibrancy and radiance and beauty, both inner and out, as we go through the month of July. Remember to use the element of water to help you flow with the magnanimity of your emotions when creating your dream. Whenever we create a new dream, sometimes it influences our emotions, but remembering how awesome and great you are, just like the magnanimity of nature, and not just the element of water, but the element of the sun, element of the air, and the element of the earth. Remember to be and stay grounded, and just remember to connect with nature, guys, and enjoy the energy. It's really so beautiful out here, and I just wanted to share a bit of this with you as usual in our readings, and I hope that you enjoyed today's reading. So enjoy the energy of July, guys. Enjoy the 7th month of the year. 7 is always lucky, and remember to take some time out for some self-love, self-care, and just some time out to connect with yourself. nature or wherever you feel comfortable. Okay, guys, enjoy the energy of July. Have fun. Take care. Bye.